Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator in a Nissan Sentra using an easy method. First, prioritize safety by ensuring the engine is completely cool. Then, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Gather essential tools like a ratchet, various wrenches, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process much smoother. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful and safe repair. Now, let's get to the alternator itself. Begin by locating the serpentine belt. Use your serpentine belt tensioner tool to release the tension, allowing you to remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, you might need to remove a few small components, like an air intake hose or a bracket, to gain clear access. Finally, carefully disconnect the two electrical connectors and the main power wire from the back of the alternator. With the belt off and wires disconnected, it's time for removal. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Use your ratchet and appropriate socket to remove these bolts. Once unbolted, carefully work the old alternator out of its position. Now, take your new alternator, align it with the mounting points, and secure it with the bolts. Make sure everything is snug and properly seated. For the final steps, reconnect all electrical wires and the main power cable to your new alternator. Double-check that these connections are secure. Next, reroute the serpentine belt exactly as it was before, using the tensioner tool to get it back onto the pulley. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard battery light. It should turn off, indicating your new alternator is working perfectly. Great job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.